Cause you must take man for idiot, you know. I call you go on like you exercise me I hear me. Move up in my house. Hey girl, who in my house? Who in my house? Hey girl, who in my house? How that under the bed? What kind of ear that me I sit under the bed? Hey boy. Come from under my bed, boy. Come from under my bed, boy. You know hear me? Mr. F, come from under my bed, boy.
Bumbo. Brother, what you doing so? Huh? Oh, shoot.
Listen up, man, just box down your blood clot and kick you down. No one step in your belly.
Take me a ramp with your pussy or I'm a bust out your face with this. A soft put no mama. Jump back your mother.
The foot there. You know what I'm saying, some bro?
No man. The bomb buckler like you out there, my gun that. Deal with the boy.
That's why I love Jamaica, you know, because when you're there at Jamaica, you look one woman, you sure know see a woman you talk to. When you're there foreign, you have to wriggle me this and wriggle me that, because you will go home with transmission and left with TV.
Let me tell you something. You say if you get bun and you alone know, it's alright.
Yeah.
But when you get bun, your friend them know it fuck up.
Hello, Miss Paxi.
How are you?
Fine.
And how is your mommy?
She good.
How you going in school?
Already. You want to know the color of my jacket too? Boring gal, boring gal. No man no want no boring gal. Skin up. Get me a bucky bucka.
Leroy!
Jesus love is a bubbling over. A kid. So this was what it tastes like? You're trying to poison somebody over. This what it could kill Kubo, yes?
But what f***ing trouble is this? Son, behave yourself before I tell your mother. You feel like it's one of your fathers, or?
Hello. Don't be disrespectful. You're smelling like pee. What perfume you use? Pissy Alice?
You're too damn dishonest. Give me back my money.
Lord Father, I ain't able. Like they send you for me today, what?
Little boy, me ain't telling your mother nothing, innit? I coming for you.
For that little bit of money? Things real bad with you, girl. Lord, give me the strength to deal with this old cross who I hear that's pee down herself in the market. Who breath that smell like glory, and who granddaughter that's be given out rides like a cheap mover taxi.
Leroy, what's your language?
I asked her for something and they ignored me.
Look, I didn't see you. I don't like root your eh?
I know your eye chunky, but like a blind too. I don't want a dog me to know. Make sure whenever I pass through, I get a hot plate to eat. Before your husband too.
Boy, what the ass is this I hearing? Disrespectful little neglect. Like you really need a father to put a lash in the little ass with a little rude self.
Well, I know that wouldn't be you, because I would deal with you. Why are you wearing that hat? It's so hot. Why your legs back to front?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Fully done.
Any man wanna let me left me? Any over me?
Of course.
Me? At my age, me cannot take no stress.
Says it's number one killer. Fine, well, yeah. Yeah, Dolly, me want Dolly body, but the beauty queen body. The leg them have to come up, them too fat. Them have to go marker.
Yo, dog, me just come back, just get on my phone in the dog. And the first thing we go on Instagram, go see, I'm my favorite crusher breed, Bumbleclad! Bumbleclad! Fuck!
Panda! We have to run! Don't go nowhere. As of right now, no human can move until me say move. And whosoever think them bad move, are dead, Jago dead in here. Don't move. Me say don't move yet. Go ahead.
Make sure you no time, because if you time, you pay what you get.
Pussy one. How you had it to me? You say I came in them bun. The fuck they are. You don't understand something, bro?
Reggie! Throw the stone them. Me I go fling it! Ah! You know, say, me are the only one who no land a black flash. The cursed spirit want war. Him want stunt with stunt man. Him think him wicked, but me wickeder. You just have to stand there like one idiot. Ahoy, Todo! Me gone like spaceship. Take Black Flash! Into your bomber clots!
Where the bumbo? Where the bumbo clot? Where the bumbo? Where the bumbo clot, eh? Oh, where the bumbo pussy rascal with the oxtail and the beef party?
You are now about to witness.
Yo, Sto, where you dey, me G? Yo, Billy, what one? So, Billy, how we do today? Oh, you remember when you said you want one clown for your birthday? I may have you. Go suck your mother. But anyway, me have one clown for you, you know. In the right over there, so. Bumbleclad pass me knife. My birthday not till couple months still, but okay. Respecting us too. Oh, hey there, Billy. Father God up above, you know me, I got you fuckery. I hope people might give you video. Billy, I want. Sto, you want me fuck you up, not you. Billy, I just want clown. I want that, boy. Billy, I know one blood clot ordinary clown that. Then I want. Well, fuck face. Make me enlighten you. That's Bumbleclad Pennywise, the dancing clown. I mean, I talk about no Bumbleclad dancing that might either. That motherfucker is the real deal. Oh, in dance too? Me never know. Which group in dance with? I Flames? Too, me I go fuck you up, you know. Where you go fuck me up for? You too Bumbleclad fool, man. How the fuck you even find him, though? Well, me dey walk past one sewer one day. Well, hey there, Stu. You want some sweetie? Bossy, you think you can get me with sweetie? I bulla me say no. Bumbleclad, feel like. Oh, you want bulla? Okay, come down in the sewer, make you want bulla, boy. Bulla don't even taste good at Bumbleclad. Stu, don't talk in my face serious idea. But Billy, you know want to bull of them. Not a Bumbleclad, me go to no sir. Billy, how you go? Fuck that shit, I'm out. Billy, where you go? Come back for bull of them, no? You know I'm bull.
Rep! Bumbleclad! Like sweet boy! No Betty milk, no donut, no honey bun. Like sweet you fuck! Rep!
That mad Bumbleclad girl doing? Hey girl, you're a mad girl. Remember me tell you this. You're a mad Bumbleclad girl. You need psychiatric evaluation.
Ready, G? Yeah.
Sin City was a Mavia. Angels lie.
Boy, move from side of me.
What me I do?
Time you see camera, you're going like you're loose.
Me can't stop again.
You're loose.
Me can't stop.
You're gone.
I can't stop.
You're leftist.
I figure
You're Saddam and Camaro. What kind of bite up, like
Dog, I figure.
take up the camera, move.